So we're out with Boo Rider 61. He's on the M1000R, and we're gonna go tear up some streets. First person to lose their license gets a free ice cream. That's the one we're going with today. Taking traction control off as well. Try and pull some dank wheelies. I'm joking. Sort this visor out a bit. I broke my helmet, so there's no like intermediate. It's either I don't know. He thinks it looks so cool on that as well, you know. He knows where he's going. I ain't got a clue. I ain't got a Scooby. I wanted to address one thing though, right? You probably see in my videos that I've only got one mirror. Now, let me break it down for you. So I lost a mirror on this side. When I went over a certain speed limit, it snapped off. Anyhow, I was in my garage the other night trying to install the other mirror. And I put it all on properly, but I forgot to add the mirror. And the way I put it on was literally the best way ever. Anyway, while I'm unscrewing the bolt to put the mirror back on, I actually lost the nut inside the handlebar. So I had to just revert back to what was on here originally. Oh look, it's coming out. I haven't done it up tight enough. But you can see where I've gone at it with that, with grips to turn it off. And now we're stuck with the old ones because I fucked up basically. So now I need to get a new nut. I've only got two. It would be nice to have three. Can you imagine the production of calcium you could make? So we're off to On Your Bike. Apparently it's the go-to destination if you've got a GS. Oh my god, where the fuck was that? Did you see that? Like, what the fuck was that? I know I was going a bit too fast probably. But, and it is only a fucking 20. Okay. Bit loud. My bike's still too fucking loud. I did a wheelie! Oh! Bruh! This guy! Oh mate, these roads as well, Jesus Christ. He's sliding fucking everywhere, isn't he? He fucked it there, didn't he? Fucking bottled it. Oh, he could have crashed. Oh, a dickhead. We'll have to get his final verdict on that when we land, won't we? I think he's a bit lost. I would be as well, to be fair. You're probably looking at my fuel thinking, oh, this guy's an MT10, he's going to break down in a minute. Absolutely, mate. That's literally what's going through my head right now. Oh, thanks, mate. I appreciate the stones. I'll take them home and treasure them. Start my own fucking stone collection. Holy shit, mate. Oh, make it your mind. He did that so he could try and see over the bridge. You think that little near crash experience has slowed him down? I don't know, man. It's hard to tell. I don't ride with him enough to know how he rides. Mate, it literally feels like I'm being fucking shot. You need to slow down with those stones, buddy, and return them to B&Q or Homebase, wherever the fuck you got them from. I'll be suing Homebase shortly. Oh, it's on your bike. Ideally, I'd love to do like at least a video a week. There you go, boy.